In a significant reinforcement of its air defense shield, the Indian Army has received fresh supplies of Russian-origin Igla shoulder-fired missiles. The delivery comes amid heightened tensions with Pakistan following the Pahalgam terror attack, and it aims to strengthen India's readiness along its western frontier. Amid mounting aerial threats and escalating tensions with Pakistan, the Indian Army has inducted new batches of Russian-made Igla-S very short-range air defense systems or VSHORADS. The missiles have been procured under emergency financial powers granted by the central government to meet urgent operational requirements. According to defense sources, these advanced missiles were delivered a few weeks ago and are already being deployed to forward locations. Their primary objective is to neutralize low-flying enemy drones, helicopters and fighter jets along the sensitive border zones. The latest batch of Igla-S missiles is being procured under emergency fast-track acquisition with a contract valued at approximately 260 crore rupees. These systems are being deployed to forward air defense units positioned along sensitive border areas. The Indian Air Force is also procuring similar systems to bolster its frontline air defense grid. The Igla-S is a shoulder-launched air defense missile system weighing just 18 kilograms. With a strike range of up to 6 kilometers and altitude coverage of 3.5 kilometers, it uses heat-seeking infrared technology to track and destroy aerial targets. Traveling at over 2,200 kilometers per hour, it delivers a powerful 1.17 kilogram warhead with full 360-degree targeting capability. This latest version of Igla series is an upgrade over the variants in service since 1990s. Older units have been refurbished by an Indian defense firm to extend their operational life. To further strengthen the missile inventory, Army has issued a tender for 48 additional launchers and 90 more Igla-S missiles. Defense planners are also exploring next-generation laser beam riding VSHORADS for enhanced accuracy and engagement capability. India's armed forces have significantly accelerated emergency and fast-track acquisition in recent years with a special focus on anti-drone capabilities and spare parts for sustained operations. To counter increasing threats from UAVs across the western border, the Army has deployed indigenous integrated drone detection and interdiction systems. These systems can detect, jam, spoof, and neutralize drones from over 8 kilometers away and are equipped with lasers to destroy aerial threats mid-air. To counter the rising threat of enemy drones, the Indian Army has deployed the indigenous Mark 1 integrated drone defense system with a range of over 8 kilometers. The system recently neutralized a Pakistani drone in Jammu region. Additionally, DRDO is developing high-powered directed energy weapons to target larger drones, cruise missiles and aircrafts. The Army is also looking to enhance its low-altitude radar coverage with mobile detection systems for fast tracking and neutralization of enemy aircrafts and drones. With the induction of these Igla-S systems and parallel advancements in indigenous technology, India's air defense forces are rapidly adapting to counter evolving aerial threats on both conventional and asymmetric fronts.